Assalamualaikum my dear students. Today I am here with a new lesson from your English textbook It So Happened. Lesson number 4, The Treasure Within. Before starting this lesson, let's talk about the title. What is the meaning of the treasure within? First of all, the word treasure. Treasure here that means richness, the creativity. Within that means in yourself. So the creativity, the richness which lies in yourself, which makes you different from other. That is the meaning of the title of this lesson, The Treasure Within. Now let's start our lesson. Every child is a potential achiever and is different from other children in her or his style of learning and area of interest. My dear students, as we notice that every person in this world is different from other. So in your class also every child is different from you, right? Some students are interested in drawing, some students are interested in maths, in history or in geography, right? So here every child is a potential achiever, every child is a capable for and achiever and is a different from other children in her his style of learning, in her or his memory, style of learning and area of interest. And in interest everyone is different from others. Now read the interview that follows. Here in this lesson we will go through an interview which was published in newspaper. It is based on a conversation between Miss Bela Raza, editor of Sparsh, a newsletter from the Resource Center, the Valley School, Bangalore, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, one of India's leading architects. Now, Miss Bela Raza, who is a reporter, and Mr. Hafiz, who is a contractor, one of India's leading architects. So in this lesson, we will see the communication between these two persons. Now see what is there in part 1. Hafiz Contractor was an unhappy schoolboy. He doesn't like to do other subject. He doesn't like to go to school. Maybe he liked, but he was interested in other things. So he was an unhappy schoolboy. He loved doing things but detested mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him the shivers. Now he loved doing things. He liked to do so many things but detested mechanical learning. But he doesn't like mechanical learning. Mathematics subject gave him the shivers. Shivers that means tremble. Mathematics subject gave him tremble. That means he whenever math subject came in his class, in examination, it gave him the shivers. That means frightened. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. Once a time his principal said something to him and that saying changed his life. How? Because whatever the principal advised him, suggested him, it changed, it influenced, it affects him deeply. Now let's start. HC here that means Hafiz Contractor and BR that means Bela Raza. Now Hafiz Contractor said, what he said, I used to have this terrible nightmare. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Now Hafiz Contractor used to here that means habituated. He was habituated to have this terrible nightmare. Terrible that means haunting fear, frightening dream. Sometimes we also got nightmare, right? Nightmare here that means that type of dream which makes you frightened. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, but last 4 to 5 years it seems to have disappeared. That terrible nightmare looks like to have disappeared. That means vanished. Now he overcome from that situation, that terrible nightmare. BR said, Bela Raja said, What nightmare are you talking about, and why do you think it has disappeared now? Because Bela Raja, she is not aware of it, that which type of terrible nightmare came to Hafiz contractor, right? So Bela Raja was asking him that which type of nightmare are you talking about, and why do you think that it has vanished now? Here students, disappeared, that means vanished. Hafiz contractor answered her that he habituated to get continuous nightmares about appearing for a maths examination. Now which type of nightmare, frightening dream came to him? That he was appearing for a maths examination. That means he was in an examination hall and giving maths exam. In that he did not know anything, and in maths examination he didn't know anything. Now the psych must have gotten over it. Now the psych here, that means mentality. Now his mind must have gotten over it, that means overcome from that situation. His mind changed. I don't have to think about education, and there is absolutely no time to get nightmares. Now he doesn't have to think. There is no need to think about education. Hafiz contractor said that now there is no need to think about education, and there is absolutely no time, and he doesn't have time to get nightmares. Bela Raja said, tell us something about your earliest memories in school. Then Bela Raja asking him that please tell us something about your memories, your childhood memories. Hafiz contractor replied her that in the first and second year I was a good student. When he was in a first class or in a second class, he was a good student in his school. After I reached the third standard, I simply lost interest and I never studied. And when he reached to third standard, he lost his interest in study and he never studied. He used to be interested in games. Now, as we know that in school our attention is always in a sports time, right? And in drawing, and so many students doesn't like subjects, math subjects, geography subjects to learn, right? So here Hafiz contractor talked about his school time. Then when he was in a third standard, he doesn't like to study, so he used to be interested. He habituated in games. He liked to play games, running around, playing jokes, making fun and pranks on others and making fool others. Here playing jokes, that means making fun of others, and pranks here, that means to make a fool someone. So he was habituated to playing games, to running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during exam times. When he was appearing for exam of different subject, he would copy in class. That means as so many students did, right? If you remember that we are always trying to copy from others, and our school teacher gave us warning for that, right? And so many students were punished for that. So he would copy in class during exam times. I would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and study it, as I could not remember things that had been taught to me in class. Now he was talking about his childhood, that he would try to get hold of the examination paper that had been prepared and study it. Which examination paper was given to him? He had been prepared and studied for that, as I could not remember things that had been taught to me in class, and the things which were taught in the class to him, he couldn't memorize it, he couldn't remember it. However, later, one sentence spoken to me by my principal changed my life. However, after some time, one sentence spoken to me by my principal, his principal gave him advice which changed his life. Now, when I approached my 11th standard, when he was going for 11th standard, the principal called me and said, the principal of his school called him and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you from day one." What his principal told him that, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you." That means his principal has been seeing him from first day. "You are a good student." His contractor is a good student. You are a good student, but you never studied. But you don't like to study. I have taken care of you till today. Till today, I have taken care of you. Now I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself. Now from first standard to till now, I have taken care of you, but now as you are approaching for 11th standard, I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself. You have to do everything. You have to arrange everything by yourself. That means you have to study it by yourself. Here the instruction, here the advice given by the principal to Hafiz contractor when he was approaching for 11th standard. He talked to me for 5 minutes. His principal talked to him for 5 minutes. You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years, but you have only played games. Now what his principal told him, that you don't have your father. That means he doesn't have his father. His father was died. His mother has worked so hard. His mother was working. His mother has working so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees and paid his all fees all these years from, but you have only played games. But Hafiz liked to play games. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. Now the time come that you should rise. You have to go ahead in your life and study, and you have to study hard. I used to be a very good sportsman. Here Hafiz contractor was saying about himself that he used to be a very good sportsman. He is very good in games. I had been the senior champion for so many years, and I also was the cricket captain. He had been the senior champion for so many years, and he also was the cricket captain in his school time. I used to play every game. He liked to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. Which year? When he was approaching for 11th class. That year he didn't step, he didn't go, he didn't participated onto the field, he didn't participated into any game. I would go for prayers, and all I would do was eat and study. He would go for prayers, and all I would do what he did when the principal gave him some suggestion, gave him advice, talked to him for 5 minutes. These things changed his life, and he take it very positively. So he would go for prayers. What he did at that time, only go for prayers, and all he would do was eat and study. Only he was eating and study. I normally used to copy and pass. Normally from 10th standard, 1st to 10, he used to copy and pass. But I realized that once I was in SSC, I could not do that. But once he realized that when he was in SSC, he could not do that. He couldn't copied. When I got a second class 50% in my SSC, my principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction. This is my memory of my school days." So when he got a second class 50% in SSC, his principal told him that, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction. Please make yourself to get distinction." Distinction, as you know, A+ grade. This is my memory of my school days. This is Hafiz Contractor memory of his school days. Students, we stopped here. We will stop here. Now we will go further in next video. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.